Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I have received it today and I would like to do the unboxing together in this video. It comes in this box, as always, typical iPhone box. It doesn't have any charger, it doesn't have apparently any cable whatsoever. So yeah, I would say let's open it up together. So this is what we should get in here out. There we go. And let's open it up. So the box is so packed that even hardly can open. And there we go. This is what we got. Let's remove it from the other side as well. Oops. Let's close it back. All right. Now hopefully can be opened easier. So the box, as I said, is very tight. There we go. So, and that's what we have got. Let's take it out. So as you know, the 17 Pro Max actually comes in a couple of different colors, and this is the blue one. I expected it to be a little bit darker than this, but this is how it looks like basically. Pretty cool. It feels quite thick, pretty big as well. And first thing I'm gonna do is that I would put one cover on top of it just to avoid getting scratched or so on. So first thing I'm gonna do is actually I would put a cover on it. If you remember, we have reviewed this product previously. That's a phone cover. There we go. So we have got two screen covers. Let's take them out. Looks like this. Right. So let's open up this one and then we put our cover on. So let's get it out from here. It's quite hard actually not to get dust. So I guess we got it right this time. There we go. The moment of truth. Yes. We don't have any bubbles or any hair. Or if you remember, we also had a back cover. So let's put that one as well. This is our back cover. Look like this. So I'm not sure what is with this paper in here. I guess it's a kind of, can be removed as well, I believe. Can't be that. All right. So there is a back cover I see in here. Look like this. Let's put this one on the cover. There we go. And let's start it up. There we go. So it's pretty big actually, relatively compared to the previous iPhones, especially the camera lenses are pretty large, I would say. So in the box we also have a cable. So USB-C to USB-C cable. English, Germany. Default. Setup. All right, now it's connected to the internet. Okay, so now we have our iPhone. Default appearance, setup without another device. Continue. I'm an adult. Okay, Face ID is complete. Use Face ID with mask. Well, I don't wear a mask. Don't use a Face ID with mask. Face ID is ready. Let's put a password. Password is set. Don't transfer anything. So now I want to log into my iCloud. Don't share. Set up Apple Intelligence, choose notification to summarize. Not now. Not now, I don't want the priority. Camera control. Sounds good. That's our action button. That's the silent mode. Crash detection, satellite, SOS, and so on. Everything is done. So get started. Let's go for, there we go. To preserve battery, you can set up to 80% of the charging limit. Perfect, sounds good. Quite bright, nice resolution. I can feel that it's like really 120 hertz screen. So use this phone when sharing your location. You are currently using to share your location. Use this one. So I transferred it from my previous phone to this one. Let's see what else we have got. Alright, so yeah, pretty much very cool. While using the app, choose a style, use standard. Camera works fine as well. Right, let's look at the storage, see how much storage we have got. Phone storage 512. Perfect. I think we are good to go. Well, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, that was a very quick video, unboxing video, so to say. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. I'm happy to share my experiences with this in the next days as well. And don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos on a daily basis. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Thank you and bye bye.